Hey, welcome to my channel Easy Art with Chirosri. Today I'm gonna draw a cute dinosaur which is called grass dinosaur. So what are you waiting for? Let's drawing with me. At first you have to drawing the head of this dinosaur and then you have to draw his body part. Drawing the dinosaur is very easy but it's look like wonderful. The dinosaur loves to eat grass. After drawing the dinosaur, we have to do color on it. The eyes of this dinosaur is very pretty. And look at him, he is smiling.
I almost done my artwork, guys.
I fall in love with this dinosaur, guys.
Wow!
For coloring this dinosaur, we need to take light green, deep green, red and yellow. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe my channel.